Hi, let's start with a new series today. So let's start with the crown of our country, yes, Jammu and Kashmir. Today we are going to make the authentic Wazwan dish, Rogan Josh. Believe me, the Rogan Josh we eat in restaurants out of Jammu and Kashmir is not Rogan Josh at all. When I ate this dish in Kashmir, I was like, wow, it was so wonderful, it was so flavorful, and the texture of the gravy was something else. Let's make it ourselves to experience what I am trying to say. Only thing is, I couldn't use a herb called Ratan Jot in this dish. Ratan Jot is basically a herb when boiled in water or in oil leaves that red color. That oil or water is used in Rogan Josh to get that bright red color. Unfortunately, I don't get Ratan Jot in the place I live in. So let's manage without it and let's make it. Let's begin by adding cloves, cardamom, black cardamom, and we are going to lightly crush these spices. Add mustard oil in the cooking pot. And we'll wait for the oil to come to the smoking point. We are cooking this on high flame. We can see now that the oil has started to boil. We are going to switch off the flame and bring down the temperature of the oil. We are going to let it cool down for a minute. After a minute, let's add the crushed spices. Add Kashmiri red chili powder. Add asafoetida. I have quarter cup water in my hand and we are going to gradually add this. Remember, we are doing this after switching off the flame. Now in this oil, we are going to add mutton. You know, Kashmiri chilies not only has this bright red color, but it also has its own flavor and taste. Turn on the stove at medium flame. And we are going to mix this all together. We are going to cook this for about 5 minutes on medium flame. And after 5 minutes of sauteing in the oil, we are going to add salt now. Add fennel powder, dry ginger powder, and we are going to give it all a good mix. Don't add more than half teaspoon of ginger powder because it will make the taste bitter. Now let's add the saffron. Soak this in hot water for 10 minutes. Give this all a good mix. Remember, we are cooking on medium flame. While this is cooking, let's whisk the yogurt. Do not add this without whisking. Time to add yogurt now. After we add yogurt, we are going to mix this and keep stirring until it comes to boil. We are not going to add any water in this for cooking, and we are going to slow cook this Rogan Josh. If you wish to cook this in cooker, pressure cook at this stage for 2 whistles. You can see this has started to boil. We are going to cover this and cook it on the lowest flame we have for 45 minutes. There's a leakage of steam from here, so I'm going to close this with a piece of clove. I'm just checking this after 20 minutes. The meat is not done yet, so we are going to cook this for another 25 minutes. So this is totally after 45 minutes. I've checked the meat and it's completely done. We did not add any water in this. It's cooked in its own water. This is the authentic Kashmiri Rogan Josh. You can enjoy it with rice or roti. I actually like it with rice. This is one of the most flavorful mutton dishes you will ever eat. So enjoy. Remember me in your prayers, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.